Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on ACT Maths calculator use. So this question will be as says, or it goes like this: how many calculator tricks should I learn for the ACT? Okay, well, to answer this question, I will say aim to master around 10 to 15 high value techniques that appear repeatedly on ACT Maths questions rather than trying to memorize every advanced function. Okay, yeah, that's the right way to answer this question. Just focus on mastering around 10 to 50 high value techniques. Okay, I'll be fine, ranging from simultaneous equation, quadratic functions, graphing, exponential functions, statistics, probability, and the rest of them. Okay, and the good news is that in this 2 hour long video, I recorded extensively showing how you can use the ACT, how you can use the T84 plot to solve ACT math problems. Take your time to go through this video I'm pointing out, and you'll be fine. It will show everything you need to know concerning ACT math calculator use. Okay, so hope I answered this question correctly for you. I will see you in the next video.